not babbing me. Are you babbing me? You are not babbing me now. It's just
You raise voice.
I don't know why I don't help person for this one.
You go help you talk.
You go carry clipper, touch here small, then you go help me brush and then touch here small, brush around.
That is babbing.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, bro. Good afternoon.
Well done.
Yeah,
I mean, are you there?
Yeah, sure now.
Okay.
Are we there here?
I mean, how much did they use back here?
You ask again. Now 500 naira be here. Now
Wait,
sit down. Just
wait,
don't worry.
wait.
Don't worry. Wait. Sit down now.
No worry, I go sit down. How much be shaving?
Shaving is 200.
200.
Are you new around here?
Come on, I want to talk to you small. You say barbing na 500.
500.
Then shaving how much?
200.
200. I beg. No vessel. I get 200 here. Now shave, I want shave. You understand? But I want the barber will go shave me. Make him help me brush here small. So just help me brush around.
That one na barbing they talk about like
no,
that.
No, I know.
Which one be brush here around? That one you dey explain barbing for me in the name of shaving.
No, I make. I know the barb. You understand?
Wait
now. You go shave me. After you shave me, finish, you carve me.
I don't understand.
No, wait now. I know they say you go barb me. You understand? Wait, I just want now.
That's the way they explain na barbing. Why you go tell me say you
no, now I explain to you what you go do for me now. You go just shave me. After you shave me finish, you carve me. After you carve me finish, you use that your clipper. Just help me brush it. Carry that clipper. Just help me brush and here down small.
You think say they wise?
Yeah, after I brush and finish, then go carry that clipper, touch and here for me small. Finish.
Yeah,
now shaving.
I understand what you explain now, but you see all that explanation what you do, but now barbing. I don't do this business for 10 years. Maybe you go tell me the difference between barbing and shaving.
You are not doing any serious barbing.
I know that thing what you just explain now. Now barbing, no be shaving. Say make I touch here, brush, I'm done. Now shaving. Why you won't run my shop down?
No,
bro?
Nah, you know that.
You know how much we they use buy fuel for this country?
No, but light today now.
My brother, even if light day, you won't come use my time for shaving, for barbing for shaving.
Now, I think say na 200 I get for shaving. You understand? Just make you help me. You go just shave me here.
I know what. See my customer inside, bro. I know feed leave my customers they drag barbing and shaving.
No, you go only use that. You go only use that clipper. Help me brush and down small. You are not babbing me. Are you babbing me? You are not babbing me. Now it's just.
You raise voice.
I don't know why I don't help person for this one.
You help you talk.
You go carry clipper, touch here small. Then you go help me brush and then touch here small. Brush around.
That is barbing. That's the way you just talk to na barbing. So I beg if you don't get money, since you no feed, beg me make I help you.
Even road to go to
find your way. See my cousin, see, no allow me vex for you, I beg.
They pursue your customer.
I know one vex for you. I know just one vex.
They pursue your customer.
Wait, if one customer feel like you, but don't shut down now. I'm right, get out.